Okay, this is really pretty. I got the teal colors, came just as the color stated it was. So this is really nice. I like it. I haven't used it yet, but this here goes up. This here is the open spout. So you have a cup holder. And down there is a charge station and a cup holder for your cup or your Stanley here. So this is really nice. You can lay it down on its side like that. It has a nice little handle here. Let's see. So it tells you it comes with a USB port, phone holder, cup holder, and a hanger. So let's see here. What else it got going on here? All right. So that comes with an additional little tote bag. And this is sealed. Okay, let's see. I was trying to take that loose, but then I'll lose this here part. Oh, wow. Look at that there. So I can put stuff on the inside of this. Okay. Oh, that's the battery pack for the charger. Okay. But I think it's still cute how it has it like sealed up. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is nice. Put little stuff in there. Okay. Come over here. My little compartment here comes with instructions telling you how to use the 4-in-1 feature. And put your clothes in here. You can zip it down. So the reason why I purchased this is because we were at the airport and I had a backpack. And when I tell you I got tired of toting that backpack, honey, I got tired of toting that backpack. So now let's see what this is. This looks like another compartment or something. We're about to see. Okay, so now I see. This here is just for extra space. So you can unzip it to have extra space. That's it. That's what that is. But it's cute. And I like it.
This is the Wrangler 2-piece set. It has the 3-in-1, which is a US port, phone holder, cup holder. As you can see, it seems to have good maneuverability. Has the cup holder. Here's the charging port, the USB port. I have a battery pack on the inside. It does not come with the battery pack. You place the battery pack on the inside. There's a zipper. And here's the USB port. The phone and the cup cannot be in here at the same time, obviously, but the phone will sit here as it's charging. When not in use, you just close it. It comes with this bag as well. You can see it. Try to get an idea. It is pocket on the inside. Pocket on the outside, rather. It comes with straps you can hold like this, or a long strap with the handle. It has a hole that can sit on the handle. goes inside. Didn't really pack. It comes with, oh, I thought it was only one, but it comes with more than one expandable zipper that you can use. I only opened one. And this is what you can use for it to sit on. It has two handles. Here's one handle on the side, and it has one handle on the top. So I'm going to give you an idea of what I packed on the inside. Just give me a second to adjust the camera. Like I said, I just stuffed a lot of clothes in here. Didn't really pack. Just to give you an idea, and it's quite a bit of clothes in there. A pair of shoes. It comes with an extra pouch rather. And here's the zipper. And I could see if you put too much stuff in here, it could rip. Come see the little holes. But other than that, like I said, and it still had a little bit more room, but just to give you an idea. That is that. So far, I like it. I ordered two, the blue and this color, and they are very nice. I'll let you know how well it holds up. Thank you for watching.
Así me llegaron. No son muy grandes, los pude usar sin problema para el equipaje en Volaris y Viva Aerobús. Ya tuve 2 viajes, se manejan súper bien. Aquí se conecta esto. Lo único que creo que no pude probar porque como que no me funcionó fue el ese del USB que tiene ahí, como pueden ver. Tiene adentro un cablecito que conectas con la pila. La pila no viene incluida, claro. Pero por lo menos con mi iPhone como que no, igual no fue compatible. No sé si con los otros sea. Entonces pues ya nada más mantenía mi pila afuera porque tenía que poner el cable. Este es para entrar y este es para agrandar. O sea, puedes hacer como que un poquito más ancho esto y espacio. Este cierre es para abrir o cerrar y como pueden ver, o sea, súper bien. Y este de hecho ya la uso, pues en lugar de, o sea, ahora sí que la amo, la verdad, la amo el color, me encantó, la volvería a comprar. Y pues bueno, ya la golpeé como pueden ver, pero no llegó así. Pueden ver que se desliza suavemente, como quieras, no hace ruido. Genial, la amo.